For 250 years, America's been built by people who get to work. From the fields that feed us, to the roads that connect us, to the mines, quarries, job sites, and fleets that keep this country moving, it has always taken more than machines. It takes skill. It takes grit. It takes people who know that downtime is not just an inconvenience. It's lost time, lost productivity, and lost momentum. At Tech, we're proud to support that work with tire repair products made in the USA. Built for technicians who do the job right. Built for the fleets that cannot afford to stop. Built for the farmers racing the season, the construction crews working through the heat, and the OTR operations carrying the weight of the day. Because a repair is more than a patch. It's a way to extend the life of a tire, protect the investment, reduce waste, and keep hardworking equipment where it belongs, in service. That mission has always mattered, and in this historic year, it means even more. As America celebrates 250 years, we're proud to stand with the people who continue to build, grow, haul, repair, and move this country forward. Made in the USA, made for maximum uptime, made to keep America moving. Tech Tire Repairs. Repair tough, work tougher.